Hello everyone, welcome to iCraft Design. So today we are going to do this altered mixed media on our diary which we can create for our 2025, and it's a perfect ideal diary. So let's start the mixed media art and first see how the diary looks like from the inside. So this is a perfect journal diary which you can use it for your daily routine. On this cover we will give first a texture with our stencils and a texture paste. So for any mixed media, texture is a very important. So here I'm using a iCraft stencil. The stencil has a very beautiful design, floral, script and motif, everything just in a one stencil. And I'm gonna use my modeling paste. So you can take your palette knife. With the help of palette knife, we will apply a texture paste on the cover of diary. So this works perfectly as a spatula and can give it in a nice smooth format. This stenciling we will do it on all over our cover. This is so much of fun. This modeling paste is very smooth and easy to apply even for the beginners. So it's very easy and fun to do this part. And this dries faster so you can work very easily. So here I'm applying all over on my cover. And it's a mixed media project, so the stencil what we have selected is also a perfect ideal for mixed media. After applying it on all over the cover, we will lift the stencil smoothly, and here is the result. It's come so perfect and crispy image. So we'll allow it to dry nicely now. Maybe it will take just 5 to 7 minutes to dry completely. Meanwhile it's getting dried, we're gonna select our embellishments which we can use it on top of diary. So here I picked up resin embellishments and that I'm gonna use it in the center. First circle frame maybe in the center, and let's see how it looks like. And this embellishment is like little big, so I'm gonna break it and use it. That's the best part of mixed media. After I'm satisfied with the design, I'm gonna fix it with my glue. You can also add some more embellishments if you wish. This is how you can keep on layering your embellishments. After sticking, we will allow it to fix it properly. And here it's a 2025 diary. So I've taken some wooden numbers which I will again fix it with my glue. So it's 2025. So for this year, I have decided to, design my own cover of a diary. How about you? Let me know. After all my embellishments are set, texture is there in the base. We're gonna start doing the painting on top. So the technique which I will be doing is a steampunk technique. First I will cover with my darkest color chalk paint. Right now I've taken dark grey shade that I'm gonna apply all over my diary, and we will paint it completely. The paint which I'm using is a chalk paint. It's a very smooth and it gives you one good finish. Wherever there is a small designs, we're gonna take a brush and nicely poke it inside the paint, all the edges and corners. While painting, you need to check each and every embellishment is dried, and to some integrated area you can just take your small brush and paint it into the smaller areas. So here we are using the darkest color so that we can use a dry brush and enhance it more better. And these colors stands out very beautifully. So while painting, you need to check from each and every side, especially the integrate part of these designs, and make sure it's painted from all over perfectly. Once this paint is completely done, we will allow it to dry. Again, it will might take 5 to 7 minutes to dry completely. Meanwhile, you can check the finishing. So here on the top, some area is still left. So we will take a paint and properly fill each and every small parts. You can take a small brush also for the small areas. So now this one's completely dry. I'm gonna take my white shade and absolutely dry brush. What I mean by dry brush is there should not be a water at all in your brush. Just take a small dry brush, remove all the excess paint from the brush. Your brush should have just a moisture of colors, very little, and with a very light-handedly, smoothly, slowly, you can just dry brush on your project. By doing this, each and every design, including the stenciling, embellishments, each and every design will enhance very beautifully from the dark background. So first we are taking white color and doing a dry brush. Try to give even tone all over. So here after dry brushing, it's gonna stand out each and every embellishment, but it's still not looking that great. So we're gonna add some colors here. So white is just a base what we are giving. So before using any color on a darker surface, we always prefer having a white color dry brushing, and then on top we can start using any color of a choice, including the metallic shades. And I'm gonna use both. So here my white dry brushing is ready, and each and every design is standing out from the dark background. Now just to add the color, I'm going to add some blues and purple. Again, I will be doing a dry brushing with the same shades. So with the blue color, I'm just giving a dry brush on one of the part of the diary, not all over. So here is a shade of blue. I thought I'll do purple, but I think purple is not required. So now let's add the gold on top of it. So this is a metallic wax which I'm using, and that I'll apply with my index finger. So you can just take it on your finger and smoothly just give it on the texture wherever you have given the embellishment or textures, not all over the diary. And this is completely game changer, trust me. The metallic wax gives you a very nice metallic and steampunk look to your entire diary. Even on the stenciling area, I'm gonna give it with my light hand. This is my last step after all the paints is done. So the waxing, we always do it in the end. That's basically my top layer. Wow, I'm just loving this look. If you like this video and you want to have some more tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So now this diary is looking so beautiful and elegant. I'm gonna add a very small print in the center, and especially I'm choosing the evil eye because my diary is so beautiful that I don't want kisi ki nazar na lage. So here I've taken evil eye mandala print, and that I'm gonna cut as per the size of my circle, which can fit properly inside the circle. So removing all extra plastic from the sheet. I think I need to trim more so that this fits in circle properly. Yeah, now it's fitting well. Yes. So it's not fitting well, so we'll just trim a little more. Yes, now it's going well. We will stick with our glue. And this is giving very beautiful additional look to my diary. So here is my 2025 ka diary is ready. And if you like our video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.